Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, no trade signals, not selling indicators, just my trade journal. And we got price action, order flow levels for Wednesday, July 26, 23, and at 2 p.m. Eastern, FOMC decision on interest rates. And then part two at 2:30, Powell Speaks. So that's the real move. Currently 15.75 handles as I shoot this video in Globex. And I've got a 3-day handle point average of 30 handles. So we have a good potential to do a lot more than that on an FOMC day. What I've got up here on the left on the chart is a daily S&P ES Mini, and on the right, we've got a 15-minute. So we'll go in detail on the charts and look at the levels. Let's do it. 24-hour charts on the left, we've got the NASDAQ, and you can see here we are on the Wednesday Globex, and the day prior didn't come close to hitting the highs of the year way up here. And this happened last week, and it's just not even close. Whereas the S&P, we went all the way up to this candle wick on the blue line, and that was relative equal highs to a week ago. And so that was significant. So these relative equal highs, definitely we could see price go above that for FOMC. If there is a retracement, that might be after we already break these. On the right, you can see the dollar went up to this volume imbalance, this yellow rectangle on a candle wick basis, but then it retreated. So this is on the downside. We've got a pivot here. The high again was the previous day on the dollar. We'll see here if that supports the index to rally. On the S&P here, I've marked off the afternoon 50% equilibrium point, 45.99 and a half. The high was 4608.75, and the previous high for 2023 on the S&P E-mini was 4609 and change last week. So there you have the higher time frames. Let's go to the next chart on the S&P 15-minute benchmark. So I've got my levels marked out. Definitely I'm not trading in the morning at all. I'm just going to watch the Fed move. So if we have a 30 handle range, the last 3-day average, 30 handles puts us below here, the new week open gap at 45.64. So relative equal lows down here at 45.60. And I have a low of last week at 45.57. So I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying it's doable based on ranges, handle ranges so far this week. Definitely this yellow rectangle here is a daily volume imbalance. So I do expect price to be attracted to hit that tomorrow at some point. I'm just not sure if we've got it. Depending on what the decision is, it looks like the market's already priced in what's going to happen with a rate hike, but we'll see. Again, this is the level down here that I'm thinking we have the potential to go. As far as the equal highs on this line, definitely we could break them, and I don't even have an estimate above, but if we were going to go 46.25, 46.50, I wouldn't be too surprised because that's the next level up from 2022. So right now you can see price painting on these candles. Currently we're outside of the London Open here. London came in right here at 98.75, and you've got New York Midnight Open. Price just pierced that right now, and we'll see if the Tuesday RTH Open's going to hold. Again, that was the down here 45.80, and the PM low right on the close was 45.90. So these are two zones of interest for the AM session of RTH. So that's it. I'm going to keep things real simple and short. The Renko's not doing really anything. It's just in the middle. So there's no upper blue or lower blue Keltner on the standard deviation. So that's a wrap. Be safe out there. Aloha and take care. Bye.